Today we will start our new exercise 1.6. First we will study some of the identities used in this exercise. In this exercise we will use laws of exponents, and laws of exponents you all have studied in class 8th. Now see the first law. A की power m into a की power n is equals to a की power m plus n. Second, a की power m whole power n is equals to a की power m into n. Now third, a की power m divided by a की power n is equals to a की power m minus n. Now fourth one, a की power m into b की power m is equals to ab की power m. Now in these laws, if the numbers are same and powers are different, then the powers will be added. Again, if the numbers are same, powers are different, and they are in division, then the powers will be subtracted. If they are in multiplication, powers will be added, and if they are in division, powers will be subtracted. Now, if the numbers are different and power is same, then numbers will be multiplied. Okay? Now see the first question of this exercise. Now we will start the first part of first question, that is 64 की power 1 by 2. Now 64 can be written as 8 square. Square of 8 is 64. So we will write it as 8 square, then whole power 1 by 2. Then these 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Our answer will be 8. Okay. Now see the second part. 32 की power 1 by 5. What is 32? 32 is equals to 2 की power 5, or 2 की power 5 is equals to 32. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 32. So in terms of 32, we can write 2 की power 5 here. 2 की power 5 whole power 1 by 5. Again this 5 and 5 will be cancelled. Your answer will be 2. Now see the second question, first part. First part, 9 की power 3 by 2. 9 can be written as 3 square, whole power 3 by 2. Now this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. What is left? 3 की power 3. Now that means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. So our answer is 27. Now let's see the third part. 16 की power 3 by 4. In denominator 4 is there. So whose fourth power is 16? 2's fourth power is 16. That means 2 की power 4 is equals to 16. You can confirm this by doing multiplication like this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. That means 2 की power 4 is equals to 16. Now 2 की power 4 whole power 3 by 4. Again 4 and 4 will be cancelled. What is left? 2 की power 3. 2 की power 3 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 8 is your answer. Now we will see the fourth part of second question. 125 की power minus 1 by 3. In denominator 3 is there, and we have to cancel this. So whose cube is 125? This we have to find. So 5's cube is 125. We can verify it here. 5 into 5 is 25, into 5 is 125. So we can write 125 as 5 cube. So write it, 5 cube whole power minus 1 by 3. This 3 and 3 will be cancelled. What is left? 5 की पावर -1. Now there is one law that a की पावर -m is equals to 1 upon a की पावर m. So 5 की पावर -1 will become 1 upon 5 की पावर 1, which is equal to 1 upon 5. Now we will start the third question of our exercise 1.6. Now see its first part. 2 की पावर 2/3 into 2 की पावर 1/5. Now every one of us know that a की पावर m into a की पावर n is equals to a की पावर m plus n. Since these two numbers are same, 2 and 2, and powers are different, so we will add the powers, which will become 2 की पावर 2/3 plus 1/3, which will be equals to 2. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 5 into 2 is 10. Again 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 3 into 1 is 3. So this will become 2 की पावर 10 plus 3 divided by 15, which will be equal to 2 की पावर 13 upon 15. So this is your answer. Now see the second part of third question. 1 upon 3 की पावर 3 whole power 7. Now by this law a की पावर -m is equals to 1 upon a की पावर m. 1 upon 3 की पावर 3 can be written as 3 की पावर -3 whole power 7. And now by this law a की पावर m whole power n is equals to a की पावर m into n. From this law this -3 and 7 will be multiplied, which will be 3 की पावर -3 into 7, which is equal to 3 की पावर -21. This is your answer. Now see the third part. 11 की पावर 1/2 upon 11 की पावर 1/4. Now which law will be used? a की पावर m upon a की पावर n is equals to a की पावर m minus n. In this numbers are same and powers are different, and both the numbers are in division, so powers will be subtracted, which will become 11 की पावर 1/2 minus 1/4. Now the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, so this will become 11 की पावर 2 minus 1 upon 4 after taking LCM, which will be equal to 11 की पावर 2 minus 1 is 1 upon 4. This is your answer. Now see the fourth part. 7 की पावर 1/2 into 8 की पावर 1/2. In this numbers are different and power is same, so which law will be used? a की पावर m into b की पावर m is equals to a into b की पावर m. Since the power is same and numbers are different, therefore numbers will be multiplied. That means 7 into 8 whole power 1/2. 7 into 8 is 56 की power 1/2. This is your answer. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and stay connected with A1 study classes.